certified most accurate. Now your First Warn 5 forecast.
Good Monday evening, Mid-Michigan meteorologist Chris Eastlick here with your forecast update for tonight. It does look like we've got some new ice storm warnings issued for our far northern areas that go into effect late tonight and last through the day tomorrow. It's in these ice storm warning areas that we do expect the most ice accumulation as we work through the day tomorrow. But that's not to say that these areas under winter weather advisories won't see slick driving conditions as we work through your Tuesday. Areas outside of the advisory zone, icing expected to be to a minimum. You'll see mostly rain, but as you go north, expect more ice accumulation as you work towards those dark blue or dark purple shaded areas. Your First Warn 5 pinpoint Doppler radar live from MBS as of 6:30. We've still got a few more hours to go before precipitation even returns. So if you have things to get done for tonight and don't want to travel tomorrow, you've got an opportunity to do so. This warm front to the south is the key to everything as we work through tomorrow, as far as who sees temperatures come up above freezing and just how long that period of freezing rain will last for some. That warm front also being challenged by that area of high pressure to the north, which is funneling that cool air down below, which keeps freezing rain in play for many throughout the day tomorrow. Your First Warn 5 hour-by-hour forecast shows eventually late tonight. This is primarily after 9 or 10 o'clock. We start to see that precipitation move back in. It should be mostly rain along our I-69 counties, Genesee, Shiawassee, and Lapeer. Even into Saginaw County, temperatures will be very borderline, and you may see some rain initially, but temperatures will have a tendency to fluctuate at times as we work through tomorrow. So freezing rain amounts are still possible near M46 and areas north of there. But one thing is for sure, as we work through this hour-by-hour forecast, our counties to the north are the ones that see that most consistent area of pink shading. Places like Bay City, Midland, Mount Pleasant, and areas right along that line, east to west, you are going to be very close to that transition zone. So even a slight shift in storm track may keep temperatures above freezing a little bit longer, and your ice amounts could go up. Or if we get a nice surge, those amounts could go down if that warm front manages to make progress. It's going to be a really tricky forecast, but either way, play it conservatively for tomorrow. Anytime we're talking ice, we just have to be careful. Everything comes to an end as we work into late Tuesday evening, but then slick roads become a possibility for everybody as eventually we see temperatures cool off significantly into Wednesday morning. How much ice do we expect? Areas in the ice storm warning, you see the most, between 2/10 up to a half-inch. Areas in between Bay City, Standish, Clare, Mount Pleasant, around 1/10 of an inch to 3/4 if there's any sort of shift to the south. And then we've got around 1/10 of an inch in Saginaw, Carroll, Bad Axe, areas around that M46 corridor. And off to the south, it's mostly rain. But regardless of how much ice you see, just know that the possibility is there for slick travel as we work through tomorrow. As for your 7-day forecast, we expect 20s on Wednesday, 20s again on Thursday and Friday, and another round of snow expected Thursday evening through early Friday.
Stay with WNEM TV5 on air, on the go, and online for more news and weather updates.